Okay, so I'm recording a video in preparation for recording some video. What I'm going to do in this tutorial is set up a program called ezvid on my PC to record video. First off, I'm going to start up a browser window, for a product called ezvid.com. That's ezvid.com. Do that, I'll get straight to ezvid.com. It's quite a long home page. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, to the How to Get ezvid Suggested Steps section. The first section asks you to donate to support ezvid's development, and if you want to do that, click on Donate to ezvid. Okay, I'm going to skip that step. Number 2, make sure you have the right tools. I'm recording this video using a specialist mic. It's not quite as fancy as this one, but it's a plug-in USB mic. I just found the internal mic on the laptop wasn't sufficiently good to record sound, so I went for an external mic. You judge for yourself whether you think the quality is good enough. I think probably I might need to change it. And then once you've donated, if you choose to do so, you can click here to download. So if I just click on here, you'll see bottom left hand corner here, Chrome is downloading an exe file. Okay, I've already done that part, so I have the exe file saved in my documents already. So I'm looking for it, and it's come from a reasonably reputable source, so you always use scan a downloaded program, make sure it hasn't got any viruses that are obvious. There's no guarantee that there aren't any, but that's at least something. And then just double click on it. I'm setting this up in Windows 8, by the way. Okay, so I'm going to accept, smooth this up, install ezvid. I'm going to accept the agreement, click next. Okay, great, that's what I want it to do. Super. And it's downloading a package now from the internet. So okay, that package has downloaded. Move on to the next step. Doing the installation. On a web page to thank us for calling. You could subscribe to the mailing list. I'm not going to bother with that at the moment. Video there to watch. Tutorials there on the thank you page, so I might want to come back to that later. I'll bookmark that one. So in the background here, ezvid has loaded. So there's a few controls we might want to remember. You can find those later if we need to. That's supposed to say down there. It's quite immediately, the interface looks fairly intuitive. You've got a new project which you can create here. Load a project, that's for projects you saved previously. Various options here: recording voice only, synthesizing speech, adding text, adding pictures or video, so presumably you can splice videos together, and a capture screen function. So I'm going to make a video now using ezvid, using screen capture. By the way, there's an upload to YouTube video button down there, which we might use in a minute. But first, let's click capture screen and see what happens. That's it starting up. So ezvid screen capture is now starting.